Hello everyone, and welcome to the review of the Binize wireless Android adapter. This is a very interesting gadget because it's tiny, the box is actually huge, and this will convert your normal stock Android Auto that it's connecting by cable to your phone to a wireless Android Auto, and you are not going to need the cable. And this is also very smart and very quick. You don't have to do anything. You just have to have the Bluetooth enabled on your smartphone and the location, and that's it. When you start the car, they are going to talk to each other, and you are not going to need to set them up each time or anything like that. It's very, very quick, and I'm going to demonstrate you. So this is the box itself. It's not a box, it's a small gadget. It's only $29.99, and it's going to solve the issues with the cable. Actually, I do have issues with the cable. Sometimes this is going to disconnect from the cable. Hopefully this is not going to do that anymore. So there's the small adapter. As you can see, this thing is tiny, and I'm going to hook it up. The installation is very simple. Beside hooking it up to your car, there are several things to do which are very important. First of all, if you have a smartphone that is already paired to your hands-free or to your display or something like that, you need to go into your phone settings and forget that connection. Just delete it, so the phone is not going to connect to the car hands-free. Then when you are going to start the device, you are going to find it in the Bluetooth device list, and you are going to connect to it. And that's it. We are going to do that right now. I'm going to put my seatbelt on, otherwise we are going to get too many sounds. I'm going to power on. This is connected already, and we are going to wait for this to start. It takes a bit of time, it's a bit sluggish, but not because of the device, it's how this works by itself. Right, and it wants to connect to the something, and you can see it's already trying to connect to my phone directly. Somehow something is happening here like magic, so I'm just going to pair it, and I'm going to wait. It detected it automatically. Sometimes you need to go into the Bluetooth settings of your phone and search for the device and select it. There you go, Android Auto is connected. Extremely simple, amazingly simple. And press Android Auto, and just like that, we now have Android Auto working right away. This was including the setup, because if I turn this off, I don't do anything with my phone. I'm just going to put it here for it to see. I'm waiting 5 seconds. Now I want to start my trip again. I'm going to turn on. I'm going to wait. I'm not touching anything, and it takes more for this to power on than actually anything of that. The setup, the connection, and now you can see already hands-free device was connected. We are going to wait a bit. This made some sounds. The screen flickered. Android Auto was started already on the phone. Android Auto is connected. As simple as that. You just go into the car, start driving. This is going to connect almost instantly. And now you have Waze and everything that you have on Android Auto as you set it up on your phone. Here you can see the list of apps that I have on my Android phone. You have the calendar, you have various other apps. You can use Google Maps instead of Waze, plug share if you have an electric car or plug-in hybrid. Of course you have tuning, Spotify, even Teams. You can do a meeting, maybe not. You can see the weather and everything else, YouTube Music, WhatsApp. And for WhatsApp it's very nice because if you get a lot of messages on WhatsApp, it has the function to read them while you drive, so you don't have to do anything or touch the phone no more. It makes the life simpler. And here you have this nice thing, you have this split screen option, so you can still have navigation, and here you have a side screen where you can adjust it, select other apps, things, news, music, and everything else here. Everything is customizable, of course. Android Auto does that. Well, this is not a device to put your applications onto it. This is a device that makes Android Auto much more pleasant, especially if you don't have wireless capability. So you no longer need a cable. You can keep the phone in your pocket or in your bag or everywhere else. No longer needs to stay somewhere here connected to the cable and connected and disconnected each time you get in or out the car. So I really enjoy that, and I can tell you that this is also very stable. I've tested it before for some time, and I have never had any kind of problems with it. Very stable. It feels like it's 100% original equipment. It just work reliable. And also I like that you can really quickly switch to your car thing, so I don't need to go to menu here to it. They put actually a Mitsubishi icon here, and it goes to the original car screen when you can do things such as seeing your fuel consumption, battery, and so on, and all of that. It's stock, and go back to Android instantly, and they all work together. Really nice implementation. Everything works with the volume on the controls here, with the next music track and so on. I'm not going to put music because that's going to be a copyright strike for my channel, but you get the idea. Super simple, super cheap, works right out of the box of its tiny box. You even get this cable, so it's a wireless wired Android Auto, because maybe your car has a USB connector in a place where this will not fit. For me it fits perfectly there, but this is going to help you install it in another place, a small adapter to fit it somewhere else. The only downside of this, it's that it's not supporting video in motion, because it's illegal to have video in motion. For that you need some more advanced gadgets. The same company does that with some bigger Android boxes. They are standalone mini PCs, and they are having a lot of options there, and you can install your own apps, and you can bypass your car's security without having too much knowledge. Actually it works as simple as this, and with that you can do Netflix, YouTube, and everything else. But I'm not watching videos while I'm driving, not even when I'm stationary. Um, you can try workarounds, for instance installing VLC, but this is not going to load. It doesn't let you, otherwise it's just spinning. It's not going to start. Something is happening there, it doesn't allow you. Anyway, I don't need video in motion, but I'm telling you that because I had some questions on one of my older reviews about that. So yes, it's possible to have it, but not with this kind of device. This is just Android Auto wireless on cars that have cables. For problems with the cables, you just plug this in, you have comfort. So here is our device that we are reviewing today, the cheap one, 29.99. But on the official website, you can go here to AI box, and here you have Android boxes. These are just a full Android PC with everything. So it runs everything, including Netflix, YouTube, and so on. And it mostly works with all cars that have built-in Android, and they will have also video in motion without any kind of issues, and they are as simple to set up almost as my device that I'm reviewing today. So you can look at these. They have a lot of models. Some are newer, some are older, some have more memory, higher end processors. As you can see, they also have with Qualcomm processors. So you have to look here and search and see what fits better your needs. but you have also that possibility. But today we are just looking at this one, the newest wireless Android auto from this producer. Also, if you want to switch the apps, as you see, I went using Waze. It's as simple as selecting maps, and I'm on Google Maps. As you can see, it's very fast, but that also depends on your mobile smartphone. So that was it for now. I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and until my next review, see you and bye bye.